Hello everyone, I have made this video to explain the basics of Python on Jupyter Notebook. Let me explain the agenda of what I'll be discussing in today's video. I'll be explaining the printing of strings and numbers using the print function, assigning values to variables, and swapping values of two variables using a temporary variable. Without delay, let's begin. I'm using Jupyter Notebook because I feel that it's an excellent platform for basic Python programming. Yeah, I've given the name of this notebook on Jupyter as Python tutorial 1. So let's begin. Now if I want to print a statement, now let me give a statement as hello world. Now I need to give double quotation and I'll enter hello world. Yeah, and I can click this run button. Yeah, we immediately get the output. I can also use a single quotation. It's actually the same. Let me demonstrate again. Yeah, I'll give print hello world. Yeah, and I'll give run again. Yeah, so yeah, it's the same output. We can we can use double quotation or single quotation while printing a statement. Now we can also print numbers, but when we are printing numbers, we don't have to give any quotations. Now if I want to print a number 10, yeah, I just enter the number without any quotation and I'll click run. Yeah, it prints the number. Now let me explain the assigning of values to variables. Now I'll define a variable a is equal to 5. I'll click run. Now if I want to print the value of a, I can just give print and a without using any quotation and I'll click run. I immediately get the value of 5. Now there's an actually interesting fact about Python. Let me explain. Now the value of a here is 5. Now I will define one more variable b is equal to a and click run. Okay, now I'll give a print as b. Yeah, print b and I'll click run. Now I'm getting the value of b as 5 because the v is taking the value of a and printing. Now if I change the value of a to 10 and I'll click run, so the value of a is changed to 10. Now let's see what happens if I print the value of b, because b is actually taking value from a. Now if I give print b and click run over here, I'm still getting the value 5. The thing is, actually Python it actually refers the first statement for printing the value of b. So here I had given b is equal to a, so it actually refers to line 6 itself and line 5 where b is taking value from a as 5. That is the reason it is not reflecting 10. Now coming to the next topic, yeah, so let me explain swapping of two variables using a temporary variable. Okay, let me define two string values. Yeah, I'll define let's say v1 is equal to first string. I'll click enter if I want to enter a new line in this same code. Yeah, and I'll give v2 as a second string. Yeah, I can click run. Now let me explain the swapping of two variables. And now I'll define a new variable temp is equal to v1. Then I'll use v1 is equal to v2 and v2 is equal to temp. Then I'll click run. Now I'll print the values of both v1 and v2. Now I'll give print v1 and click run. Yeah, it's coming second string, so it's swapped. Now if I want to print v2 and I'll click run, yeah, I'm getting first string. So swapping of using a temporary variable is actually very simple. We just need to define a new temp variable first. It takes the value from v1. After that, now v1 is taking the value of v2 and v2 is taking value from temp. Yeah, thank you so much. I hope you all like my video about the basics of Python. I've explained in this video I've explained the printing statements and assigning values to variables and using a temporary variable and swapping values of two variables. Yeah, please subscribe to my channel and click the bell icon to get notified when I upload a new video. Also, please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much.